Hi, this is fourth part of the video for the series Simple Linear Regression Analysis. In this part, we will compute summation of x square. It has been used first there, and at three places. So now we will move towards the calculation. For the computation of x square, write in this cell 245 multiplied by 245 because house area is my independent variable x. In order to do in the Excel, insert the equality symbol, click on this first cell for the independent variable, insert this multiplication symbol, then again click on the same cell and then press enter. You will get the results. So we got our result, that is 60,025, 60025. So in order to do same for the whole column, just click at this point. Double click on this point, you will get same formula for this all of these the remaining rows. Do not need to drag it, or you want to do drag, it's okay, it's up to you, no issue, but it's the most easier and convenient way. I like it too much due to ease in the computation. However, if you want to do it manually in your quizzes and assignment and papers, so write the first one 245 multiply by 245, insert the brackets at the start, at the end. Then write this for the second one 312 multiply by 312, plus symbol, 3 dots, then plus symbol, then write the last value 255 multiply by 255, then equality symbol. Upon solving in the calculator, because you have to do the same for all these values in the calculator, so you will get the answer 60025. The computation for this whole column has been performed and all of these values has been summed in the cell, and we call it summation of x square. However, in the writing you will say summation x square. Now to compute the mean, we have to we'll write x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. Here we have sum of all the x, summation x is equal to 2865, n is the number of observation, we have 10, upon dividing we got 286. The same procedure will be repeated for y bar. Y mean is equal to summation of y divided by n. Summation y is equal to 1714. Again the same values, n is equal to 10. We got our answer 171.4. So these are the two answers for summation for y bar and mean of x or x bar. So now the time comes for putting all of the values that we have calculated in this formula so that we can get our beta naught here. So I hope all of these values has been calculated by you people while watching the video. So just put these values and you got the result 20.041. Then the second formula is for beta 1, or we can call it b, small b, or beta 1. Again the same all of these values has been calculated and is the number of observations. Upon putting all of these values I got 0.528. Now so this was the first method in which you have to calculate the beta naught and the beta 1 both using by the formulas. So method number 1, in order to simplify it, just calculate the beta 1 initially by using this formula, and after the calculation of this value 0.528, there is a shortcut method in which you have to use this formula. As you know that y is equal to a plus bx, just rearrange it by bringing this bx on this side. So y minus bx is equal to a. As we know that a is equal to over beta naught and b is equal to over beta 1. So far we have calculated in this formula, we have written it there. We have computed y bar, we have computed x bar, and we have computed only b or beta 1 by using the formula. This is our method number 2. So in order to by using this very short formula, we will get our value of a, that or b naught. So we got 20.041. Look at this smart formula, and if we compare it with the method 1, just look at this huge formula and too much calculations. So I think the method 2 is quite easy for you people as compared to method 1. Upon knowing the value of beta naught or a as well as b or beta 1, just write the equation y hat is equal to then a value 20.041, then insert the plus symbol, and after this right here the beta 1 value is 0.528. Just write this value in the equation and you will get the desired regression equation, 0.528 multiplied by x. So this is the regression equation in the coded form, because we do not have used the exact names of these variables. If we write like house price and then the bracket I write here in thousand of US dollars is equal to 20.041 plus 0.528 multiplied by house area in square meters. So this is my uncoded equation because I have uncoded my variable names. After getting the equation, this one, write this equation with your regression line. This line has been generated by the scatter plot we have done in the earlier part of this video. So this was the whole process. The interpretation of the regression equation and how we'll use it for the prediction will be discussed in the upcoming last part of this series. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye.